Hi, I'm Sandy here with Sherri. We are HomeShow Garden Pros, and we're going to be talking about Corona tools.
Yes.
You brought all sorts of tools for me to learn about.
Yeah, and in particular pruners. You know, Corona has a whole line of amazing tools, but their pruners are awesome. And there's a pruner for every job. Did you know that?
Ah, different pruners
and some
for
people
different
think,
sizes.
they think pruners are just pruners, right? And they just go buy one, and then by the end of the job, your hand hurts.
Right.
And there's a reason.
Or you destroyed a branch.
Yeah, so, tools are rated to what they can cut. So you always see these little numbers here. This one's 1/2 inch, this one's 3/4 inch, and that just means how big of a branch it can cut.
Perfect.
So the bigger the branch, the bigger the number needs to be.
Right,
So if you're doing, a little job, just get a everyday kind of pruner.
Mm-hmm.
So the long straight snips or this ergonomic one right here.
I couldn't
love it.
resist. This one is great.
Yeah, it's got that nice pad that fits into your hand here. It's small, especially for us with little hands. And this finger loop that kind of keeps it in place.
Secures it without being tight.
Easy to open and close right here. And then it just moves with ease. So this is my favorite one to use in the tomato garden.
This one's coming home with me.
Yeah. So, and for bigger jobs, we have to have a bigger pruner. This one's another kind of everyday. Just see how easy that is to.
Now you said bigger pruner, but it still is nice in the hand.
Yeah, it's bigger capacity than this one. So that's going to be for, you're just going to go out and cut a few branches, right? Nothing real heavy duty, right? Just cut,
Easy,
small
nice.
things. Maybe trim some roses or cut some flowers to bring in. But then we get to something like this. And we need a heavy duty pruner because using something like this just is, you could probably get through there because their blades are super sharp, but it's going to hurt your hand and it could break your tool. So you'd need something bigger. This one goes 1 3/4 inches. So that's a big lopper.
Okay.
Something like this is 1 1/4 inch, and this is great because this one's going to go really high up, and it's got an extendable and a swivel cut to it. So that one's great for tree pruning or cleaning up trees.
Perfect.
It's been very windy
Hey, let
lately.
me try this one.
Well, yeah, let me tell you about this real quick because this one goes up to 3 inches. So when we're getting that big, we need to put the pruners away and get the saw out.
And then the saw just flips right out, it looks like.
Yes.
Nice.
So this one is for bigger jobs.
And it stores well.
Yeah, so just show them how easy
Yay.
this cuts this big branch right here.
Okay.
There you go.
And
just
there you go.
smooth as silk, right?
Smooth as butter.
So the right tool is super important.
Yes, and they're so comfortable. All of them have a great grip on them.
Yes.
So thank you, Corona Tools, for being a part of HomeShow Garden Pros. And I'm Sandy. Been here with Sherri, HomeShow Garden Pros. Go check out HomeShowGardenPros.com for more videos like this and information.
Or join us on Saturday morning, 7 to 9.
Yes.